Imagine a country where every bite is a celebration, a country where food is not just sustenance, but an art form. Welcome to Italy, a paradise for your taste buds. The Italian culinary culture is deeply rooted in a love for quality, tradition, and family. From the sun-drenched vineyards of Tuscany to the bustling markets of Naples, every region has its own distinct cuisine and delicacies, each one a reflection of its unique history and local produce. You'll find a dazzling array of dishes, each more tantalizing than the last. From the silken strands of fresh pasta to the aromatic allure of a slow-cooked ragu and the sweet temptation of a freshly baked cannoli, the Italian cuisine is a symphony of flavors waiting to be discovered. In this video, we will be your guide through this culinary paradise, exploring the regional specialties that make Italian food so irresistible. So fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this mouth-watering journey through Italy, one region at a time. Welcome to Tours, Tips, and Travel channel. Starting our journey in the north, the culinary landscape is as diverse as the terrain itself. Our first stop is Piedmont, a region known for its rich, hearty dishes that are as delightful as the panoramic views of the snow-capped Alps. Here, tradition reigns supreme in the kitchen. A typical Piedmontese meal might begin with a piping hot bowl of risotto, a creamy rice dish cooked with a robust broth until it reaches a perfect al dente texture. The risotto is often enriched with the region's famed white truffles, an ingredient that adds an earthy aromatic depth to this comforting dish. Moving eastwards, we find ourselves in Lombardy, where the cuisine is characterized by its simplicity and the use of high-quality local ingredients. Here, polenta, a versatile cornmeal dish, is a staple. It can be creamy and soft, served as a side dish, or allowed to cool and harden, then sliced and grilled or fried. It's a humble dish, but when prepared with love and skill, it becomes something truly special. Our journey in northern Italy would be incomplete without a visit to Veneto. This region with its fertile plains and bountiful lagoons offers a cuisine that is both simple and sophisticated. One of the standout dishes here is ossobuco, a slow-cooked veal shank that is braised with vegetables, white wine, and broth until it becomes mouth-wateringly tender. Served with a side of risotto alla Milanese, it's a combination that is pure comfort on a plate. As we take a moment to savor the varied tastes of northern Italy, we realize that each region has its own unique culinary identity, influenced by its geography, climate, and history. From Piedmont's rich risotto to Lombardy's versatile polenta and Veneto's sumptuous ossobuco, the north offers a gastronomic journey that is as rich and varied as its landscapes. The north of Italy, with its hearty and diverse dishes, is just the appetizer. There is so much more to explore. As we move towards the heart of Italy, the flavors intensify and the dishes become even more intriguing. Central Italy is a gastronomic haven where the cuisine is as diverse as the landscape itself. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the bustling city streets of Rome, each region has its own unique culinary offerings that promise to tantalize your taste buds. Let's start our culinary journey in Tuscany, a region renowned for its rustic yet refined cuisine. The star of Tuscan cooking is undoubtedly the bistecca alla Fiorentina, or Florentine steak. Cooked over a wood fire and seasoned with just a hint of rosemary and garlic, this thick cut of T-bone steak is a must-try for any meat lover. Pair it with a glass of rich, full-bodied Chianti, and you have a meal that encapsulates the soul of Tuscany. Moving on to the heart of Italy, Rome, we stumble upon a dish that is synonymous with the city itself, the carbonara. This simple yet delectable dish features spaghetti tossed in a creamy sauce made from eggs, pecorino cheese, guanciale, and a generous sprinkling of black pepper. The beauty of Roman cuisine lies in its simplicity and the emphasis on high-quality, locally sourced ingredients. But Central Italy's culinary story doesn't end there. Every town, every village, has its own unique dish. From the porchetta of Aricia, a succulent roast pork, to the pecorino cheese of Pienza, each dish is a testament to the region's rich culinary heritage. What strikes you about Central Italian cuisine is how it manages to find the perfect balance between simplicity and flavor. The dishes are not overly complicated, but the flavors are robust and full-bodied, a reflection of the passion and love that goes into their preparation. Central Italy, a gastronomic paradise, is an ode to the simple yet flavorful Italian cuisine. the region offers a culinary journey like no other, where each dish tells a story of tradition, passion, and an unwavering love for food. So, whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious traveler, Central Italy promises an unforgettable gastronomic adventure. Central Italy, a gastronomic paradise, is an ode to the simple yet flavorful Italian cuisine. Now, we descend into the sun-drenched regions of southern Italy, where the cuisine takes on a whole new character. In southern Italy, the food sings with the colors, flavors, and aromas of the Mediterranean. The sun-soaked soil and the azure sea provide a bounty of fresh ingredients that take center stage in this region's gastronomic delights. Let's start our culinary journey in Naples, the birthplace of one of the world's most beloved dishes, pizza. But not just any pizza. Naples is home to the pizza napoletana, a divine creation of thin, soft, and chewy dough, topped with San Marzano tomatoes, mozzarella, fresh basil, and a drizzle of olive oil. It's more than a dish. It's a slice of Neapolitan life, a culinary tradition handed down through generations. Moving further south, we reach Sicily, an island that boasts a rich gastronomic history. Among its many culinary gems is the cannoli. This iconic Sicilian dessert consists of a crispy fried pastry tube filled with sweet, creamy ricotta cheese. Often adorned with chocolate chips or candied fruit, each bite of a cannoli is a celebration of Sicilian culture. Our final stop in southern Italy is Puglia, the heel of the boot. Here, the dish that stands out is orecchiette, or little ears. These ear-shaped pasta are typically served with a sauce of turnip greens, garlic, chili, and anchovies. The simplicity of the ingredients is deceptive, for the flavor is complex and deeply satisfying. The cuisine of southern Italy is a testament to the region's close relationship with the Mediterranean. The sea provides a larder of fresh seafood, while the fertile land yields a cornucopia of sun-ripened fruits and vegetables, olives, and grains. The result is a cuisine that is vibrant, bold, and deeply rooted in the land and its people. The south of Italy, with its vibrant and bold flavors, is a testament to Italy's love for food. Finally, we set sail to the islands, where the cuisine is as unique and captivating as the landscapes. Let's begin with the enchanting island of Sardinia, a place where the sea and the land embrace to create a symphony of flavors. In Sardinia, the star of the show is undoubtedly su porchiddu. This is an age-old recipe where a suckling pig is slow roasted over a wood fire until the skin crisps to a delightful golden brown. The meat inside? It's as tender as a lullaby, exploding with earthy flavors that are a testament to the pig's free-roaming life among Sardinia's lush hills. A bite of su porchiddu is a bite of Sardinia itself, embodying the wild spirit and rustic charm of the island. Now let's journey to the vibrant island of Sicily. Here, the cuisine is a palette of bold flavors, with a dash of history and culture thrown into the mix. One such dish that stands out is the arancini. These golden orbs of delight are stuffed rice balls, coated with breadcrumbs and then deep-fried to perfection. The filling might vary from meat, peas to mozzarella, but the result is always the same, an explosion of flavors that is as vibrant as a Sicilian sunset. The influence of the sea on the island cuisine is undeniable. Seafood is a common thread weaving through the culinary tapestry of the islands. From the succulent lobster of Sardinia to the sardines of Sicily, the bounties of the sea are celebrated in every dish, adding a fresh and unique twist to the island's gastronomy. The island cuisine is a dance of flavors, a blend of tradition and innovation. It's a testament to the passionate spirit of the islanders who have, over centuries, perfected the art of transforming simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. The islands, with their unique flavors and dishes, provide the perfect end to our culinary journey through Italy. So, when you're ready to explore new culinary horizons, remember the islands are waiting, with a plate of su porchiddu or arancini, ready to take your taste buds on an unforgettable adventure. From the hearty dishes of the north to the vibrant flavors of the south, Italy's culinary landscape is as diverse as it is delicious. We've traversed through the robust, rich dishes of northern Italy, tasted the balanced and flavorful delights of central Italy, savored the sun-kissed and seafood-heavy wonders of southern Italy, and finally, we've immersed ourselves in the unique island-influenced flavors from Sardinia to Sicily. Each region has its own distinct palate, its own story told through food. From pasta to pizza, from seafood to sweet treats, every morsel is a testament to Italy's rich culinary culture. It's a culture steeped in history yet constantly evolving, blending tradition with innovation. The result? A gastronomic tapestry that is as vibrant, varied, and enticing as Italy itself. Whether you're a food enthusiast or a seasoned traveler, Italy promises a culinary adventure like no other. So, when are you planning your next Italian food journey? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos.